Integrating Debank Assets List is a straightforward process that enables users to track and manage their cryptocurrency portfolios efficiently. To begin, it is essential to understand what Debank is and its significance in the cryptocurrency space. Debank is a comprehensive cryptocurrency portfolio tracker that allows users to monitor their assets across various exchanges and wallets. The first step in integrating Debank Assets List is to create an account on the Debank platform. This involves providing basic information such as email address and password, and verifying the account through a confirmation email. Once the account is set up, users can proceed to link their cryptocurrency exchanges and wallets to Debank. To link an exchange or wallet, users need to navigate to the Add Account section on Debank and select the exchange or wallet they wish to connect. Debank supports a wide range of exchanges and wallets, including popular ones such as Binance, Coinbase, and MetaMask. Users will then be redirected to the exchange or wallet website to authorize Debank to access their account information. After linking the exchanges and wallets, Debank will automatically synchronize the user's assets list, including the balance and value of each cryptocurrency. Users can then view their entire portfolio in one place, making it easier to track their investments and make informed decisions. One of the key features of Debank is its ability to provide real-time price updates and portfolio valuations. This enables users to stay up to date with market fluctuations and adjust their investment strategies accordingly. Additionally, Debank offers a range of tools and analytics, including profit and loss calculations, to help users optimize their portfolios. To ensure seamless integration, it is crucial to keep the Debank account and linked exchanges and wallets up to date. This involves regularly updating account information and ensuring that all transactions are synced correctly. By following these steps and best practices, users can effectively integrate Debank Assets List and take their cryptocurrency portfolio management to the next level. In conclusion, integrating Debank Assets List is a simple and efficient process that offers numerous benefits for cryptocurrency investors. By following the steps outlined in this guide, users can easily set up and manage their portfolios, stay informed about market trends, and make data-driven investment decisions.